Hello, welcome to the Risborough and District Model Railway Club YouTube channel. Sadly, due to the COVID restrictions, we have had to cancel our annual Railex exhibition at the Stoke Mandeville Stadium. Instead, on Saturday the 29th of May 2021, we will host a virtual Railex exhibition on the internet. Access to the exhibition is via the Railex website at www.railex.org.uk. Live events on the day will take place between 10 AM and 16:30 PM. Our virtual exhibition will feature several layouts scheduled to come to Railex in 2020 and 2021. As well as links to an extensive selection of traders, societies and demonstration videos. The featured layouts will include Kensington Addison Road, an O-gauge layout set in the pre-grouping era. Today this station is known as Kensington Olympia. Lighterman's Yard, a fictitious 2mm gauge shunting yard somewhere in southeast London. Love Lane, a Scale 7 fictitious station on the former Great Eastern. Old Parrock, an 00 gauge cameo layout. Carl of Loch Alsh, a 2mm fine-scale depiction of the iconic Scottish terminus. Freshwater, a 1 in 152 scale depiction of the western terminus of the Yarmouth and Newport Railway on the Isle of Wight. Modbury, a 2mm fine-scale Great Western through station. Thorn Yard, a 4mm scale 1980s departmental yard. Baijiao, an HO scale layout set in China in 2004. And Pottendorf, an HO scale small branch terminus set in Germany. The show will also feature some of the club and club members' home layouts that never visit the exhibition circuit. These include in EM gauge, High Wycombe, in O gauge, Padfracombe, the P4 gauge, Romford, Mick Monyard's HON3 North American layout, and finally, the exquisite EM gauge Aylesbury LNWR built by the late Jeff Williams. In addition to the layouts, there will be links to a vast selection of traders offering new and second-hand items for sale, including locomotives, rolling stock, scenics, books, magazines, tools and control systems. On the day, club members will also be presenting live demonstrations on a range of modelling topics. Whilst we cannot recreate the atmosphere and experience of being at Railex Live, our virtual exhibition will provide an interesting, wide-ranging and interactive journey to whet your appetite for when we are able to present Railex 2022 in the flesh. Railex always offers a great day out for all those interested in model railways. Further details of our virtual presentation can be found on the Risborough and District Model Railway Club's website and Facebook page. We look forward to seeing you on the day.